नमस्कार दोस्तों एंड वेलकम माय ट्रेडर फ्रेंड्स. दिस इज आयन एंड आई एम टॉकिंग फ्रॉम बिलियनियर ट्रेडर्स क्लब. तो आज देखते हैं आज का मार्केट कैसा है. निफ्टी हैज़ इज अप बाय 56.70 पॉइंट्स. BSE Sensex has crossed 60,000 for the first time. Its shares on the market 370.18. Nifty Bank was up, but I think it's going down at the moment. It's up by, it's now down by 0.80 points. VIX has crossed 16.76. It's up by 1%. Looking into the Asian markets, Nikkei is working. Nikkei is up by 600 points. Yesterday, I think it was not working. Up by 2%. Australian, New Zealand exchanges are down. Shanghai is down by 2 points. Chinese markets are up. Shanghai Hang Seng are down a bit. It's flattish. Taiwan is up. SET is up. KOSPI IDX composites are negative. So it's a मिला जुला हुआ Asian market. To me, it's more or less positive. अभी देखते हैं कि what is the condition in European markets. European markets had closed positive. London was flattish, bit negative. Otherwise, all the other markets like Spanish markets, French markets, Italian, Swiss, all of them were, Belgium, all of them were positive to highly positive. And सबसे important, most important, Dow Jones, the US markets were up. They were not very up, but okay, good, 1.5 to 1.2 to 1.04 points up. So that I will call pretty bullish. S&P VIX was had gone up, was at 18 points. India VIX is still going up, and I feel that it might hit 17 in some time. Though Nifty Bank is going negative, so if we see the Nifty charts in some time, we will come to know about it. Okay, let's look into the charts. USD INR is up today, 73.7625. Looking into US dollar index is the news is that gold is up but set for weekly fall as Fed prepares to begin tapering. So tapering is going to start at 10 o'clock sharp. We can see US dollar index has fallen. So this should have led to fall in US dollar index, but that's okay. You can see after rising, USD INR has fallen a bit. Let's move ahead. Look into SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty at 10 o'clock has started to fall, probably giving into some weak global news. Even though we can see that US Dow futures is weakening up. So 10 to 12 is going to be very, very important at the moment. and we need to be very careful because this is the most important time of trading. So let's look into various other charts that we want to see. Let's look into VIX if we want to have a one last go as to what is the strength in VIX. So friends, as I said, I've said in earlier uh, broadcast and try to give you small education in terms of what is necessary. This 10 to 12 session is very important because most of the changes happen at this time. I think there's some issue with investing.com not showing charts, so we will quickly move on to TradingView. So this is the 3-minute chart, Bank Nifty. Let's move check the Nifty's movements. Nifty has the 3-minute chart. Nifty gapped up and zigzag is showing as falling. It is below VWAP at the moment, and drawing the Fibonacci chart, it may have a bit of support at 17845. The future is at 17890 approximately. There is an attempt to rebound back, and it's at 50. RSI is at 56.55 at the moment, around 55.56. So let's see if it bounces beyond VWAP. The volumes are less than average. There was a bit of hanging man in here, so we should wait for the VWAP to be broken before taking any new trades. Meanwhile, let's look into Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty has fallen a bit. It's down 44 points. Similar to Nifty futures, it gapped up, and that gap was closed around 939, and it is below EMA 20. In fact, it's sort of bearish at the moment, and let's change the Fibonacci's. So it's below 100%. Whenever there is a reversal, I change that Fibonacci's orientation, and it's 78 is the reversal point at any time. So there is a bit of reversal expected at about average volumes in here. The last one was at about an average volumes. So there has been a reversal. So looking at the way Bank Nifty is working, I would assume that the fall is this was a profit taking that has happened in here on a 3-minute chart. This is a profit taking that has happened on a 3-minute chart. So and there is a bit of resistance here been created. The main resistance would lie at this point. So if I were to take a trade, short trade, I would take it around 37,914 in futures, and if if I was taking options, I would buy puts around 38,000, and I would be selling calls around 38,000. There will be sufficiently out of money for me to gain profits and in the money for puts. And obviously I'm looking at RSI also. RSI is less than is about to be less than 45, so good time to take trades if this stays consistently below my below the resistance. Now looking back into Nifty again, we'll bounce back there before we look into the stocks that are in the watch list. So Nifty has not been able to break through the VWAP, and it is in fact coming down. So looking at this, I am expecting a fall here. So try to take your shorts. This is the main resistance at the moment, I feel, at 17,920. So try to take your shorts there, even so that wait for any rebound that might happen, and do not jump to conclusions. And 17,900 seems to be a good position to take up put buying transaction, and any 17,915 will be good call selling place for you to take. India VIX, let's take a look into it. And India VIX is going up a little bit, little by little, and it's almost close to, it's 16.97, almost close to 17. So let's quickly move on to the stocks. Okay, so Adani Transmission, another fall has been seen in this. Let's look into the 30 minutes chart. It did move up and then it came down. Bajaj Holding, as I did say that it is in overbought conditions. And that's why there has been a bit of fall today, and it is below VWAP. So I expect people to exit their positions as soon as possible. BPCL again, I am expecting to take few more shots. It is down. It went up, and now you can see that maybe some people took some profits, and now it is again going down. Indus Bank, profitable as ever. A little bit of profit taking, and then it's bounding back. Possibly people can who are in profit are taking removing their holdings. Indus Tower, as earlier, is still moving up, and I expect even a further move. ITC, as expected, is reversing now. It's down by 3 points, 1.57, and the pace of downfall has increased. Indigo, as I said that there will be some reversals and no transactions have been advised. It is intraday, it is falling, so people can take short transactions. SBI Life, some profit booking has happened because it had a good fall, but it's still above 55. So I would take buy some stocks in these dips. So this was the 10 o'clock update, friends, and I hope you are profiting from my calls, my views, and going forward I will be providing these on a regular basis. This is Ayan, thanking you a lot. Keep learning and keep being in profit.